Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is how much protein on a high sugar diet with moderate fat. So stick around, I'm going to show you the breakdown of the macros and the calories that I have for the day. And for this day, I had my smoothie at 1 p.m. I did my workout fasted just like normal at 11 a.m., drink water throughout the morning, and have my first meal at 1 p.m. Now this smoothie had 3 dates, it had 1 cup of frozen blueberries, it had a packet of acai, it had about a half a cup of almond milk and a half a cup of coconut water. It had a serving of peanut butter, which is about 2 tablespoons, and it had 5 frozen ripe bananas. And I soak them in hot water for about 4 minutes. That way they thaw out and they go right in the smoothie and has a really good consistency when I do it that way. Blended it up in the Vitamix, and there it is. Makes just a little bit more than a liter for that one. Then at 3:30 p.m. I had watermelon. It was 978 grams. Then at 5:30 p.m. I made a salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, carrots, and sunflower seeds. And then I finished it off with, at 7 p.m. I started with a plum. And then I had this rice bowl. It had veggie patties on top and a big bowl of white rice with some hot sauce. And for dessert, I had some of this natural licorice, raspberry flavored. Had about a serving or so of that. So it turned out to be 3,074 calories. I had 546 grams of net carbs, 57 grams of fiber, 63 grams of fat, and 59 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. I have a plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. Check that out if you want some great tasting recipes. And I hope everyone has a great day. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and we'll be back soon. Talk to you later. Bye.